my name is Lauren. I'm a stylist here at Lulu's. Today we had a client come in. It was her first time. She found us online and she wanted to redo her entire look. She was pierced back in the early 2000s, and what she was pierced with, she kept in. So when she came in, we did a whole ear transformation and we got it all on camera for you. But wait, before we begin, go ahead and subscribe. So for her first ear, she came in wanting to change her conch, tragus, and helix piercing. We started with the tragus. We switched it from a dull, mist-colored stud. It was just a screw-on. We changed it to the white gold dome top. And then for her conch, we switched that barbell out to a nice white gold crystal ring. And then for her helix, we switched it to a 4-prong white gold marquee. So it really tied together the rest of her look. It kept everything flowing together. It was really updated. For that ear, I think she should add her third lobe piercing. Just put in another stud there to tie everything together. For this ear, she wanted to keep her first two. They were very sentimental to her. But if she wanted to swap them out in the future, I think adding another white gold hoop in her first, and then a larger stud in her second, smaller stud in her third, would really tie that ear together. For her second ear, she wanted to change out her date and her other tragus piercing. For her date, she had another curved barbell in there, very plain. So we swapped it to the titanium crescent moon. It had crystals on it, really tied together that look in the middle. And then again for her tragus, we did a white gold dome top. She did leave her helix piercings as the spiral barbell she had in there, but I think changing the top one to another white gold ring and then her bottom one to a stud would really complete that. And then again in her third lobe, adding another stud, or completely swapping all three and doing a white gold hoop in the bottom, a larger stud in her second, and a smaller stud in the third would really tie together her overall look. And that was her completed look. We really brought her out of the early 2000s and into the 21st century with her new jewelry. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below about her ear style. We're going to be responding to everyone. If you want to upgrade your ear style, click the link in the description below. And if you want to check out any of our videos, go ahead and click somewhere up here. We even did a really cool one yesterday with a girl when her helix is, and it's me again. So if you want to watch that one, go ahead and click.